What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today, we're going to take a look and I'm going to show you how to install the claw kit from We the People holsters. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said in the beginning, we're going to talk about how to install, I'm going to show you how to install the claw kit from We the People holsters. Now this is how it comes in this little box here. We've got an American flag on that side, We the People holsters there, and here it says claw kit. So if you missed my video, I did a review of the claw. I'll put a card up top to that video. The claw kit is something that you install to your in the waistband holster that attaches here, and basically it keeps the gun from profiling as much when you are wearing it in your waistband. It kind of tucks it to your body a little better. So I'm going to show you how to install it to this holster. This is my new holster. I didn't wear that hoodie out here today, but that is I've got the same print on a hoodie and a t-shirt actually. So I'm going to show you how to do it to this. And basically what you get in this little box is you get a little bag. So in this bag, all sealed up here, you have the claw and a couple extra screws and some extra pads. And so you can adjust the depth, you can adjust the tension. Everything is fully adjustable with this to put it how you want to. Now, it does mount to any inside the waistband holster from We the People. So that's a plus. It doesn't matter if it's left-handed, right-handed, this will install on that holster. Doesn't matter what make model of your holster you have, as long as it's a We the People in the waistband holster, this will work. So there'll be a link in the description below. I'll go ahead and say that now. There will be a link in the description below for We the People, so you can get over and check that out. But this will run you $18 over at We the People for the claw. If you are unsure what this is and you're just finding this video, I encourage you to go watch the review video first and then come back and watch this video and see how to. All right, I'm gonna break, I'm gonna cut camera. I'm actually gonna go inside to do this just because it's gonna be easier on a table. Plus I need to get a screwdriver. And yeah, we're gonna knock this out. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so we've got our holster, our claw kit, and our knife. Now we're using the Swiss Army knife hiker. That's what we're using for this. So that is the kit as it comes, all sealed up in a bag. So let's get it done. I am doing a voiceover with this because my kids were playing and watching TV. So let's get the bag cut open and get all the contents dumped out. Now, inside the package, you have a little instruction picture. You have a website. Over on We the People holsters, they do have an install option video, but we're going to show you how to do it here. So you have all the necessary equipment to do this install right there in that little package. Some stuff we are going to be replacing. So get it all moved and situated. Close our knife so we don't cut ourselves, because we won't need the knife anymore. We'll need the screwdriver. We need a Phillips head screwdriver on this. And if you don't have the Swiss Army hiker, you can use any Phillips head screwdriver. If you're interested, I did do a review on the Swiss Army hiker. I'll put the card up top. You can go check that video out. But we want to take this screw out. This is the retention screw on the inside the waistband holster. So you take the screw out, and then you're going to want to take the threaded part out of the other side, and then you've got the bushing in the middle, and we'll take that out. Now the two bushings, the one that comes with the claw kit, is the same size, but we're going to go ahead and use a new one. And so you want to slide that in there, and then I realized that I made a mistake, so we're going to pull that bushing back out, and the piece that I'm showing now is, or fixing to show, is threaded on both sides. All right, and it goes inside the bushing. And basically what this is for, it's because it adjusts for or takes into account the thickness of the claw and allows the screw to go in. So it's using the same size screw. It is a tight fit, so get that in there. the male end you will want on the side that your claw is going on, and it is going to protrude out of the hole in the holster. So right there, it is protruding out. So we have that. This little washer is going to go on there right before we put the claw on, just showing where that goes. So we take that off, flip that over, and we can go ahead and put this screw in on this side. Now this will be the screw that you use to adjust the retention on your holster if you need to tighten it up, loosen it up, whatever. This will be the screw that you use for that, not the other screw that we're going to put on the other side. This one is the one that will tighten the retention. It is tightening up on that bushing, so we're going to tighten it just a little bit here. Not too tight, just kind of snug it up, flip it over, and we're going to put that washer back on, and we're going to take our claw, we're going to set it on there, and we don't want it that way, it don't go that way, we go this way. It actually would have gone the first way that I put it, but I like that little stretch on there. It pushes that out a little bit more. So we can get that screw in there. The washer was running from me. Get that screw on there and get it started just a little bit before we get the screwdriver. And then we'll tighten that up. Now this is going to get tight. There's not a bushing behind there. It's screwing straight into that post that's in the middle. So it's going to get snug and tight. The other one on the other side, it doesn't. It will just, this one right here, this will be your tensioner. So I'm just going to tighten that up just a little bit. I can loosen it up if it's too tight for my firearm. So tighten that up just a snug. And then we're going to take and put our pad on there. Now, you have two different pads that come with the claw kit. You have a thin one, and they look the same. Then you turn them sideways, you have a thin one and a thick one. And so we're going to put a thick one on there. You have two holes you can put it in, just according to where it rides on your belt and where you want it at. Because this is going to be pushing against the inside of your belt and your pants. So it just pops in just like that. And there that is secure. So, and then we can take it and we can actually just kind of pinch and rotate. And if you need to, based on your pair of pants or your belt change or anything like that, you can pop that off and put that thin one on. And it pops on the exact same way. Personally, I like it in that top hole. Just personal preference. I like it in that top hole. All right, guys. Well, there that is. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Definitely pick up the claw from We the People if you have any inside the waistband holsters, because I'm telling you, it is remarkable what it does for carrying that holster. So that's all I've got for today, guys. Don't forget, link in the description below. And this shirt also came from We the People, so there'll be a link in the description below. Go check them out, all out. Go check out everything. And yeah, that's it. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.